What applications, if any, benefit tangibly from more than 4 GB of RAM? I looked through here for a bit, but didn't see this question. I am questioning whether it is worth putting more than 4 GB of RAM into my current desktop, and whether there are applications that will benefit tangibly from the increased RAM. For a little more information about my situation, I am a computer science student and am working on increasingly large projects, using IDEs like Eclipse and Visual Studio as well as smaller ones like FreeRide. I'm starting to explore virtualization, Linux administration, etc., but only on my own network, one desktop and another laptop.
It's not really any single app using so much RAM, but the fact that you can run so many applications simultaneously without paging the disk like crazy.
VMware Workstation, VirtualBox. And pretty much any type of virtualization solution. Massive speed benefit from having loads and loads of RAM. I can run 2 to 3 VMS simultaneously on my desktop without any noticeable speed problems, quad-core, 2.4 GHz, 8 GB RAM. Also, RAM is cheap. Order more.
Databases can eat up huge amounts of memory, both RAM and on disk.
High-end graphics/video manipulation, even audio applications. Not to promote only Adobe, but here are 3 key application groups that benefit from larger quantities of RAM. Graphics, Adobe Photoshop. Video, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Mac only, Sony Vegas Pro. Audio, Adobe Soundbooth. Try operating on raw video/audio files without a nice chunk of RAM, and you'll see some really serious lag, often even the inability to load the files into the application.
If you want to support this channel, please consider subscribing.